Welcome to Informatica Support. In this video, we will show you how to enable the slow logs for debugging search requests in the MDM Elasticsearch. The agenda for this video is starting the Elasticsearch engine, running the index job, firing the REST call to identify the list of indices, enabling the Elasticsearch slow logs. The prerequisites are the MDM hub and process server should be up and running, Elasticsearch server should be installed, an ORS should be present on which search request will be fired. Coming to the steps, we will run the REST call to identify the list of indices in Elasticsearch. Once the index that you will be searching on has been identified from the above results, we will run the second REST call, which will enable the Elasticsearch slow logs. After that, whenever we do the actual search from MDM, this will generate the Elasticsearch slow logs. Under the Elasticsearch installation folder /logs, there is a log file named Elasticsearch index search slow log.log. This log file will list all the queries generated on the Elasticsearch. Once the purpose is complete and we have collected the logs, we can disable the Elasticsearch slow logs using the given REST call. Now coming to the demo part, we will first start our Elasticsearch engine. For that, we will go to the Elasticsearch bin folder. So once the Elasticsearch engine is up and running, we will go to Hub console and run the index job. Now we will fire the call to ES to list all the indices. So here we can see that index got created. Now we will use the same index in a put call to enable the Elasticsearch slow logs. It is acknowledged as true. Now if we fire any call, it will populate the ES slow logs under the directory Elasticsearch, logs, Elasticsearch slow logs. You can refer the below KB articles for installing Elasticsearch as well as configuring slow logs. We would love to hear from you. You can write to us at supportvideos@informatica.com or on our Twitter channel. Thank you.